On today's episode of I Bet You Didn't Know, I'm going to show you guys why Stihl puts a coating on their flywheels.
So notice the yellow coating on the magneto right there on the flywheel. The reason that coating's on there is to keep that magneto from rusting. Because what happens if the saw comes in contact with moisture, those contact points will end up rusting. And then if you look at the ignition coil, they won't make a good contact with the ignition coil and you won't have spark on your unit.
So other brands of power equipment don't coat their flywheels. So just be aware that if you're having problems with the saw starting or running intermittently, it could be due to the fact that the flywheel has some rust on it. So if you didn't know, now you know.